thanks for being here today. So long. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. We respect you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
I'm so glad that when we get that bad, we have toys with everything.
Look at her.
I'll take it in any position.
What? Okay, come on. I'm in position. Just come here. Just come here. Oh, come on, Meg. What? I'll follow you. You're hungry?
No, Adam, I've never seen a cat in here before.
Look at her, though. For a while, I thought, do I have ghost? Because she feels like there's something there. Like,
Maggie's like,
look at her, though. She's
that poor bastard.
Look at her. Like,
Poor little
there's
bastard.
not even anything over there. This is my life.
She will freak out on me.
No, leave her alone, Nikki. Nikki. I want you to follow Maggie around.
And I'm keeping my fingers away from the back end of that cat.
Look at her, though. Look at her. Oh, what?
Like, come on, doesn't it attempt anyone?
Look at her. Oh, she's having a good time all by herself over there for some reason.
I smile a lot more, and I look and feel 10 years younger. But I get corn on the cob.
She's like, wow.
See? Why should you suffer with dentures when you can get dental implants at Clear Choice? For a free consultation with 3D CAT scan, call 952-831-5151 or visit clearchoice.com. These are the presents you love on a holiday, and these are the ones you'll love on a Friday.
So one cat's just chowing down.
With just a few ingredients.
And she's just staring at her like it's her porn or something. Look at her.
I'm almost there, I'm almost there.
She is. Look at her legs twitching and she's staring at Maggie's ass. Like, she's totally a dyke.
That shit is just fucking funny. You got one cat doing herself on the floor and the other one has got fucking
Chowing down.
shit breath.
The careless shit. Worst friend ever. The freaks of nature that live in my house. Look at her over there. What's going on? What's going on,
Maybe
Zoe?
the ghost is open.
What's going on, Zoe? What's going on? Huh? Are you having a good time? Yeah? Oh, let's see. You gonna follow Maggie? We're gonna get this on video.
Just for this interview, the 16-year-old boy who killed his molester. He stabbed him 55 times. Why weren't you willing to tell me? Step by step, how he and his parents were groomed. Then, one of the biggest headlines in the 90s, she killed her son's accused rapist in a courtroom. Do you ever regret doing it? What became of the son she had tried to protect, and the sister left behind? Nobody wanted from this story. Next. This is 16-year-old Daniel Kovar-Basic. 24 hours ago, Daniel was sitting in a jail cell for stabbing to death a family friend who he says molested him. The judge in the case allowed Daniel to be here today for his